Yeah, so we all eat, and we think for most of us that's our favorite thing that we do, that we take so much pleasure in, that is eating. So for to eat, they must be cooking, and that's why I told you that uh, this subject is very interesting. So under this topic, we're going to look at methods of cooking, and by the end of this topic, we should be able to discuss reasons for cooking food, state general rules for different methods of cooking, state and set the advantages and disadvantages of different methods of cooking, and finally practice different methods of cooking. So these are the objectives of this class. Make sure you install the Home Sense application from your Google Play Store, and we'll be able to look at the notes, detailed notes under these subtopics. See you in our next class.